Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Fahimi and I'm from UiTM Perak Seri Iskandar campus, and currently I'm studying for Master in Green Architecture. Today, this presentation is for fulfilling my assignment 1 for subject GAA 712 Sustainable Design and Principle. So let's go to my presentation. For the assignment 1, we have to pick one of the green building index in Malaysia to study how much the criteria for green building index. Let's go deeply about my case study. Okay, let's go through my case study. The Mövenpick Hotel and Convention Centre is owned by Tabung Haji Malaysia within approximately 6.07 hectares. This hotel also integrated with a convention complex that gathering all Muslim that perform Hajj before going to KLIA. This development is significantly because it's supporting Malaysia tourism and mine industry that which including meeting, incentive, conference and a lot of vital events. And this hotel with a beautiful architecture that implement Islamic architectural that support to Islamic elements and sustainable design principles. For this slides, I'm to share about more achievement from the Mövenpick Hotel. The case study got the Green Globe certified, and it was a recognized benchmark for sustainability excellence in the global tourism and hospitality industry. This also marking a new milestone in the sustainability journey for the case study that guide by across global sustainability strategy. Well, these are the 6 of assessment criteria that have to achieve to get a GBI rating. They are divided by 6, which energy efficiency, sustainable planning and management, water efficiency, indoor environment quality, material and resource, and the last one is innovation. And all the sub assessment have been identified during the site visit. For number 1, energy efficiency design, and the sub is EE for renewable energy. During the site visit, I found a solar panel on the rooftop of the convention center, and the interesting fact that this solar panel project have a contribution between Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB) with the Mövenpick Hotel Management to utilize the solar panel technology that's to generate clean renewable energy, reduce carbons, and to minimize the reliance on conventional energy resource. To reflect that, the hotel giving a fully commitment towards sustainable. To reflect that the hotel is able to generate clean renewable electricity to support part of its daily operation while reducing carbon emissions. And the second is indoor environmental quality, which identify the EQ7 air change effectiveness. As a evidence, you can take a look at the left of the slide. The system is designed to ensure proper circulation throughout indoor space and reducing airborne contaminants, improving overall ventilation efficiency in according sustainable building and hospitality standard. And the minimum requirement as below to provide the effective delivery of clean air through reducing reduced mixing with the indoor pollutants. And the second is the ventilation system as designed to achieve effective delivery of clean air through reduced mixing with the indoor pollutants. The second, the ventilation systems. And the third is ASHRAE 129/1997 to measuring air change effectiveness when to be measured in breathing zone. For EQ8 daylighting, you can see the picture that the site using fully utilized. Also, you can see the thermal stratification and cooling strategies, where the light direction influencing in the building, and they use the sun direction to support the daylight performance that incurred during the commissioning stage. And next, these are the minimum requirement for EQ8 daylighting. There are three which provide good level of daylighting for building occupants. You can demonstrate that above 30% of NLA has a daylight factors. The last one is demonstrate that above 50% of the NLA has a daylight factors in the rate of 1.0 to 3.5% as measured. And third, for indoor environmental, I found the evidence for EQ10 electricity lighting levels. They usually use connected lighting with motion sensor to optimize their energy. And the floor plan they list for Mövenpick hotel is that 100% of the building is connected with light sensor and 38 with motion sensor to optimize energy used for illumination. And this is the minimum requirement for EQ10 baseline building office lighting not to be over designed. And the second, demonstrate that office lighting design maintains a luminance level of more than specific in MS 1525 2007 for 90%. Next, for number 4, EQ12 external views. This view is on the rooftop on the hotel. As you can see at the floor plan, given below the picture. This external view is maximizing access to natural scenery, landscaping surroundings, and outdoor visual connection within a guest room and public space. And also, this approach enhance occupant comfort and promotes well-being, and also more pleasant indoor environment aligned with sustainable hospitality practice. And these are the minimum requirement for EQ12 to reduce eye strain for building occupants by allowing long distance views, to demonstrate that above 60% of the NLA has a direct line of sight. And the last one, it demonstrates that above 75% of NLA has a direct line of sight through the vision glazing. Sustainable site planning and management. Transportation. In this hotel, provides convenient access to public transportation networks. As you can see, there was a bus stop here, and the area of the bus stop, as you can see on the floor plan, they place on the left on the floor plan. This public transportation is strategic location because it's near to the KLIA international airport, and also is promoting sustainable mobility and reducing vehicle dependency on private vehicle and enhancing accessibility for guests and visitors. So these were the minimum requirements to reduce pollution and land development impacts. The second, they locate project within 1 kilometer of an existing or planned and funded. And the third one is located project with 500 meter at least 1 bus stops. Next, for parking capacity, you can see around the hotel have a also have an indoor parking and the outdoor parking. Is to provide the adequate parking capacity to accommodate hotel guests, visitors, and event attendants while ensuring efficient traffic circulation and to avoid the traffic management in the hotel. Also, the well-planned parking facility support sustainable transport management by reducing, and also the well-planned parking facilities supports for improving user convenience and enhancing overall mobility around the development. These were the minimum requirement for SM10. Discourage over provision of car parking capacity and the size parking capacity to meet but not exceed the minimum local zoning requirement. And the last one, to prefer parking for car pools and van pools for 5% of the total provided parking space. The last, for sustainable site planning, SM12, there's a green roof. It's the same place with the external views. They have designed the green roof, or the greenery for the rooftop, which on the 4th level. And The green roof helps reduce heat absorption, improve insulation, support stormwater management, and create a greener surrounding environment. Besides, they also design as a pool facilities and also playground for the children, and they include the landscaping around the rooftops. And you can see they have fulfilling a lot of minimum requirement, hardscape and greenery applications, the shades within 5 years of occupancy, paving materials, and they using paving stone paving, and also a wooden material in the right and left sides for resting area, and open grid pavement system. Next, materials and resource storage and collection of recyclables. The stock is MR5 recycle. I have been found recycling bins around in the hotel, and the purpose of using recycling bins, the case study, because the case study implements dedicated recycle bins throughout the hotel to encourage people the proper waste management, and also educate people how to use a proper waste management and sustainable management practice. In addition, it's also promoting the collection of recycle of non-hazardous materials such as plastic, glass, and metal, in line with the hotel environmental sustainable initiative. The next, MR6 construction waste management. When, as you can see on the picture given, they have green container here, and they were using from construction waste, and also another waste things to manage the waste management, to manage the waste, and also recycle material used in the building structures. And these were the minimum requirement, and develop and implement a construction waste. And the second, quantify the measuring total truck loads of sands of waste sent for disposal. Third, recycle and salvage above 15%. And the last one, recycle and or salvage above 75% volume of non-hazardous construction debris. And now we go to the water efficiency, which are water harvesting and recycling. The case study also provide the water harvesting system. As you can see, I can provide the floor plan to show where is the rainwater harvesting tank was located right top of the building from the hotel. So this system is to support sustainable water management and reduce reliance on treated water source, and collected rainwater is utilized for non-potable purpose, and also is contributing to water conservation and operational efficiency, and also environmental responsible for practice. And for the minimum requirement for WE1, to encourage rainwater harvesting that will lead to reduction in potable water consumption, rainwater harvesting that lead up to above 15% reduction, and the last one, rainwater harvesting that leads to above 30% reduction in potable water consumption. And the second, for WE2, rainwater recycling, using 100% water harvesting for landscape irrigation, and 33.8% reduction of potable water used by occupants, and also the below the minimum requirement for WE2, encourage water recycling that will lead to reduction in potable water consumption. 3, and recycle above 10% wastewater, leading to reduction in potable water consumption. And the last one, 3, and recycle above 30% wastewater, leading to reduction in potable water consumption. And the last one for assessment criteria is innovation. the hotel management had established the Green Globe certification commits, and these are the organizational charts. A green team that also plays a role that to achieve development on the sustainable management plan by itself. Also, this team assessing performance, gathering feedback, and staying informed on evolving sustainability trends. And also, this team is to ensure that SMP remains a dynamic, forward-looking tools and growth and adaptation over the time. And the last is the minimum requirement for IN1 to provide design team and project opportunity to be awarded points for exceptional performance above. So after all that we have been go through for every assessment criteria of Green Building Index, these are the recommendation by myself. This case study it can be strengthened, the implementation of energy efficiency system, which is to expand the renewable energy usage, and also to improve indoor environmental quality, which means there is no EV parking in the indoor parking cap facilities, and the micro mobility facility. So and optimize water efficiency measures such as rainwater harvesting and low. And the hotel can also increase the recycling facilities because they have limits. The hotel can also increase the recycling facilities because there is a limit amount. There's a limit facilities about recycling bins, because there are some spots that have been provided for recycling bins. And also promote sustainable transportation access, which only using a bus, but it can be also implement the smart EV bus to reduce the carbon emissions. And also another public transport access like trains or LRT. So that can be concluded for the recommendation to support better environmental performance and resource, and also for the long-term sustainable building management. To wrap up for my presentations, Mövenpick Hotel and Convention Center KLIA have a strong commitment towards to achieve the sustainable development through a lot of implementation and green building initiatives that align with the GBI index and criteria. And also the case study, which means the integration of renewable energy, water efficiency, sustainable transportation, waste management, and the others to more environmentally responsible and sustainable hospitality environment. That's all from me. Thank you.